top of the morning, afternoon, night, whenever you decide to watch this video. Hi! So today we are heading to Camp Irie. Yesterday was our 2-year anniversary. So feel free to wish us happy anniversary in the comment section below. Thank you. And we are gonna take you guys along on this adventure. So we signed up for like ATV, laser tag, and what else? What else is there? Rock climbing, right? Can't climb rocks to save my life, so I know I won't do well at that. But I hope everything else I can do and do it well, yeah?
The package we signed up for is the local package. It's for $60 US per person. You have to bring your ID with you. Put your ID. So, but you pay it beforehand. You can pay online, so that's one of the good things about them. You don't have to go to the gate to pay. So I think that's great. More places in Jamaica need to do that.
Yeah, so already booked, signed up, so we're just gonna go and get ready.
Oh, and one more thing. We're late. We're supposed to get there for 10.
Oh yeah.
It's now 10:44. And one of the cool things about them, you just call them ahead of time and tell them that you're gonna be late if you can be pushed up to 11 o'clock booking rather than the 10 o'clock. And they were like, okay. And that was it. I was like, y'all are good. That's great. Big up Camp Irie for that. Good customer service.
Yeah, they were pretty chill about us being late, so that's good. The road though, mercy. Mercy. I saw the car jugu, and all of these things. Anyway,
that's where we live.
Yes, the road is bad. I don't know if the route that we took, but it was not a easy route to get here.
Donkey route.
Storage. Bless up.
It's kind of weird that you can go this far on the property without any.
Yeah, the property must be really big. But there it is. Look. We see the light.
The iconic building thing here.
Running.
So once we were parked, we basically went to the registration area where we signed our waivers and got our handbands for the various activities.
Sign away with life.
So naturally you get a different band based on the package that you choose, right? Which was a local package. So we got red and blue. Blue was for the ATV and the red was for the train, rock climbing, entry, and the laser tag. So after we got signed up, she then led us to our waiting area, and we basically were grouped with other people that came. All right, so just to keep things going, they put you in groups, and so while one group is doing like ATV, the other group will be doing laser tag, so on and so forth, so that way you don't have too many groups waiting on the same item. Great strategy, love that. So this is play area, keeps you busy while you wait on your instructor and your next activity.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. rocky them.
Actually, ironic.
Oh
The
my
more you
gosh.
press together, the more you have control.
When I say, team want to pray. I said, Jesus, please God, I'm not do this again. I'm not do this again. Father. No, sir. I can't. Man, the ATV thing is just not free. Anyway, then my car going river. So, ooh, it's so cute. We're walking to the river now. Oh wow, you see, I told you we should bring swim clothes, but you never listen. Ooh. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yes, so if you're coming here, you must bring change of clothes, bring something to swim in, be prepared to get wet, okay? Don't be like me. I wasn't prepared for this, but it was still good. But I'm telling y'all from now, be prepared, okay? Okay.
They say I go in, friend. Yeah, step in. Step in the water. Ooh. Hmm? Nobody can baptize none of this.
So because we're true to this or we're new to this, we just made do with what we had. But yeah, don't be like me, okay? Okay.
If you step in, I'm sure. Watch your foot them.
Oh my gosh.
How you feel? I'm not cold nothing. Actually.
The water, though cold, was very refreshing. Very nice segue after that ride to just get a nice like wash off, you know, in the middle of it. It was so good. Let me tell you, this place is so well thought out. They thought of everything. We love to see it. All right.
Bye, river. So there's some changing rooms.
So before you know it, the Local River water time finished, and it was time to head back to the site for the other activities, of course.
Really difficult. Woo! Really hard. If you look a better, I'll go back up though. Back was better. Alright, I might do it again one next time. Oh my gosh, that was. I feel adrenaline. that was good. How was it?
10 out of 10. Drop some doubles in the chat.
Can you stop?
We're gonna do laser tag next, but
We can't wait for
yeah, I'm so. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid.
try before, you know?
This is me. Like I love them something here, but
You're afraid of them at the same time.
my heart weak, brother. Heart weak bad, but excited nonetheless. Yeah. Yay! Let's go.
So it seems that they're still building up the facilities. They haven't started the swimming activities as yet, although they do have a river. And there's some more things that they have in store. So I guess in a few months' time it will be even better than now. Lots of ground. Let's go. Splitting into 2 teams.
Them sound scary.
So we have weapons, we
Yeah.
have headbands indicating the color teams. We have red and blue team.
Okay.
This is if you want to wear it, it goes around the wrist. It's a shock band that give you a mild sting if you shoot someone wearing it or if they shoot you. Okay? So, if after I give you a gun and you want one, there's a number on this side of the gun. Okay?
So what is this shocking thing gonna?
So like, let's say one of them wearing it and I shoot them, you give them a sting around it.
Oh, okay.
If they shoot you and you wearing one,
Oh, yeah.
same thing. So we have 2 colors, blue team and red team. Which side one of the red? Red over here.
Yes. Oh, that's the time I work by. You get your gun, friend.
Yeah. You're that cool, no? Dangerous.
Oh.
Whoa. Watch out.
If you not do the right thing.
No, as in how you use it.
Oh.
Okay. Both teams ready?
Hold on.
A headshot means you shot someone.
You shot me?
When you're dead, the gun says player has lost.
Oh, God. I'm dead. I'm dead. Here. I'm dead.
So once we finished with laser tag, we were just waiting for the next activity. But let me tell you, like, you're gonna need this time to rest, okay? Don't be like us. We were playing games the whole time. We just did not stay still. So it's about time to get down. We'll pop right down, okay? Sit down and rest. So they also had a little snack bar with like Doritos, Lay's, lots of juice and water to rehydrate yourself throughout the day. No cooked food sold here. So based on the tables, I think you can bring your own food and enjoy yourself and eat. So yeah, when I tell us we get our money's worth, we get our money's worth. Me and this trampoline went real good together, okay? Real good.
You got the front. Front.
So while we waited on our next activity, which was the rock climbing, we helped ourselves to this trampoline once again. Okay, can you tell this was the only thing we were good at? Yes. But anyway, on a notice that we want to do self or bust to backflip in it. I was so good at this, like nobody can tell me none. At this point, Jamaica needs to hire me. I need to be on the national team. Do we have a trampoline team? Because we need to dip on it like ASAP. So once we got to this station, we got all strapped up with our safety gear because you know safety comes first. Our instructor, super professional, great customer service as it had been the entire day. Yes, good people them. Good people them.
Alright, now just hold on to this strap with one arm and push off. Push off. Yeah.
Just let go. Just let go. It's easy. Just let go. Hold on to the strap. No, hold on to the strap and let go. Yeah.
Kick the wall.
Yeah, let go and kick off and walk.
Hold on to the strap. Hold on to the strap. Jump off now. Push. Push there.
Are y'all trying to?
Yeah. You're not supposed to pull on the strap.
Sacrifice.
Yes. Yeah, underneath me.
Go on.
Oh my God.
Push off. Hold on.
Hold on to the strap. Good. Strap off now. Just let go. Ah, see?
Okay, you're better than me.
Never. Not no more. No more.
Let's see. When cutting up on the wall, you know. At the top of the wall. And we're ring the bell on the time for come down now.
I beat her by the way.
No.
I rang you first.
I couldn't find the bell. That's the only reason but I got to the top before you.
Lose.
I did get to the top before you, boo. And we have camera evidence.
Technically won, but I won.
We have camera evidence to prove that your girl won.
First of all, my something stuck. That's why I never pass along when I want to fix something. I say, why am I talking? I was well ahead of you.
Excuses.
That's time if you get your palm past me.
No, I was leading from the get-go.
And I still not
We're gonna play the clip. We're gonna play the clip. But anyway,
you lost.
after I get to the top now, my time for come down. Bill and time for come down.
She get your
The man say, well I know. The man say, we feel let go and boodoo. Boy. Against the wall. You know like when I watch movie and then kick and come down. Yes. That was for do. You understand? So calling him let go now because him braver than me.
She get your afraid and she's like,
well I know man, let me tell you a story. Him go some and him let go. Him let go. When I see Colin let go, I saw Colin roll on him. Colin goes
drop me that sound. I two times I touch it. One with my elbow. And I'm
Colin, how much I lick you up?
pray to the Father, you know. So, Lord Almighty, forgive me of my sins.
What's that? After I see Colin lick you up, so
heaven.
listen. After I see Colin lick you up, so I said, Jesus.
That's Father.
God. I said, God, please.
Wow.
I said, I can't let go. Because if Colin rolls, I'm in trouble. So yes, that is why I catch my friend. I feel like Colin helped me catch my friend. You understand?
Nope, she gets her friend before.
I did afraid when I look down, you know. But you say,
you say, God, I can't do this.
You say, I sit on Colin. Boof.
When you can't help me, you know? When I just want you.
I say, Why the man in the hotel Colin say, brother do this or do that? So everybody does the phone.
Why stand he gazing?
I watch Colin roll look. Man never said why brother. Man never said why brother. It's too late. How you feel, babes? Yeah, alright.
I'm good.
That was it.
Fun.
I'm gonna tell you that. Joke of the day. Joke of the day, I say, yeah, what? Oh, me I go no me I think, but it never funny in that movie.
Never funny anymore, okay?
It never funny anymore, I'm
Feel like bad.
I'm afraid for even I say, oh God.
Video could have done that 1
Look how my
minute.
husband, make you lose my husband.
2 minutes plus.
Oh, jeez. So yeah, it never funny in that moment, but whatever think about that, when those boof in that one, boy.
Got it out of you now?
We can't help it, alright. Oh, that was so good. Alright, baby. Woo! Alright, later. Bye. I'm gonna tell you, so we're tired. But, anyway, I ride bicycle. People, listen. Camp Irie owes us nothing. Owes us absolutely nothing. Okay. Let me tell you, my heart and my mouth the whole time. You see, I'm up on the something, on the rock climbing something. I'm gonna come down. Don't start some ass, because I look down and I'm afraid of heights. Why am I go up there? Why am I do it? I don't know. But when we finally let go, we muster up the courage to let go. It was so good. It was so much better than I thought. Like we never really have no reason for I go on, so yeah. I thought it was really good.
Before that, the trail, which is just really a train ride. That jiggle up your heart.
Yeah. We just a juggle. If what could I do without the train ride?
Yeah.
Right? If I come back,
Experience it one time.
yeah, it's just a one-time thing. Like you know, you want to do it one time and you go. Alright, so when you finish, they have a little shower down the bottom. You can just wash off. It's not like it's not enclosed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I'll probably take a little 0.5 for that. I don't know. Or maybe 0.2. I don't know. 0.5, all of 0.5. Also, because the shower did nice.
Overall, we give him a 9.5.
9.5 with that thing, yeah.
And the staff, top tier, very respectable.
Them nice.
Very nice, very chill.
Calm.
Like Kadisha was riding the bicycle. There's nobody to say, yo, you can't do that, you can't do this.
Yeah, them
restriction.
Yeah.
Only stay here.
And there's so much to do while you wait on something else.
They have Connect 4.
Yeah.
You had a look at something you're flinging in the wall. You have chess. You have trampoline, yo. I haven't gotten a trampoline in years.
Yeah, that was so
and
much
nobody
fun.
was like, this is only for kids. They were just like, hey man, go on if you want, no problem.
Yo, we're scared. We went somewhere one time. I tried to look at something and I was like, pick the thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was so good. Like, I don't know, the ATV is scary for me, a little scary, but you know, I try to think them. Even though my heart, I say, I'm gonna chase my heart and my mouth sometimes, I'm still gonna try it.
Laser tag.
Oh, laser tag.
I recommend that to everybody.
Yes.
You gotta try that one.
Oh my gosh, laser tag. But now, like when it's some shot, me don't. I mean, I like it.
Feel the shake out of there.
Like,
good.
At one point,
Headshot. You're like, whoa.
I was hiding behind the boxes. I was just like, oh shoot.
Listen, there was this guy who did it before, who came here before. So him go lead and beat everybody. He was on the other side. Well. He was the top scorer every time.
Yeah, I'm unfair because, like, sir, you've been here before.
Yeah.
You've been here before.
We lose every time because
him just like run up and just start shoot me. And I start my head just says, I'm like, stop it.
But we did too afraid this day. We should have moved out. If you have a strategy when you play them
But
games.
now move out because it's something shock you. When you get shot, you get shock.
You get you feel like a tingling.
No.
Yeah.
Would definitely recommend. Definitely worth it. Worth the journey, worth the trip, worth the money.
Yeah, and it's not expensive.
Worth the money.
It's not expensive.
Worth the money. Take my money, Camp Irie. Take my money. Anyway, bye guys. See you in the next one.